today's recipe is very tasty, especially for those who are vegetarian. First of all, I put here like a medium-sized onion with a bit of olive oil and a little bit of vegetable oil. So this is up to your choice. I don't want it to turn into the brown color, deep brown color. No, I just want it to be fried a little bit. The secret in this recipe is the spices I'm going to use. The spices, all kinds of spices that you have, you may add to this recipe. I put here some paprika, 7 spices, curry powder, black pepper, cumin, half teaspoons of everything. I will fry them all together. I have so many friends who are vegetarians and they're asking me for such recipes. I hope you will enjoy this and I hope you try it. I have here the chickpeas. They're boiled. I'm going to add some to the onion, and then we fry them all together. You can't imagine the smell that has this recipe. For those who are not vegetarian, may use some chicken broth if they have, or also meat or chicken broth may be added. The flavor will be amazing here. As you see, the ingredients are very simple here. I just put the onions, the chickpeas, and now I have washed like 1.5 cups of basmati rice. Basmati rice gives a very nice taste. You don't forget to add the salt. I'm going to add 1.5 small spoon of salt, and then we need to add the water, and we'll wait, and we shall wait until they are very well cooked. I'm adding the salt now. This is the last thing I'm going to add, and then of course the water. Cooking time takes like 20 minutes. This rice will take around 20 minutes to be very well cooked. Now I have added hot water to the mixture. Of course it has to be like 1 centimeter, approximately 1 centimeter above the rice, and then when it starts boiling, I'm going to put the cover and leave it at a very low temperature. While waiting for the rice, I'm preparing some nuts, mixed nuts, the kinds of nuts you have, whatever is available. You can just fry them with a bit of vegetable oil, and we leave them. When the rice is ready, I'm going to sprinkle them on top. They will give a very tasty, and it's going to be a really different taste. So I hope you will enjoy my tasty recipe. We're going to serve it with yogurt, fresh yogurt. You can also make like yogurt with cucumber. You make it like salad, or plain yogurt. So now we're waiting for the nuts to take a wonderful brown color. This is the color we need. It's like gold to brownish a little bit. The golden color is amazing. Now the nuts are ready. We need to wait for the rice to be done, to be cooked very well, and then we will sprinkle some on top, some nuts on top. Wait for us to see the final touch. Now waiting for the rice, and the nuts are ready. Just wait for us to see the final presentation. You see the golden color of the nuts? It looks so yummy. So we're going to wait now for the rice to see the last presentation. Now the recipe is ready. Look at this color. You see the rice? It looks really yummy. We're going to taste now. We take some yogurt and flame the rice. I'm really excited to taste it. Bismillah. Amazing, amazing taste. I advise you all to try this amazing recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Always Sorsha's Kitchen. Thank you for being here. Thank you.